Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm at the show centre. I'm really proud to share with you our brand new Black Edition. We've done this on our Kite pre-design building where lots of clients are going down that trend. We've seen it coming for the last 6 months and it's really on point. So instead of renewing a building, we've just updated Rob's office. This was a kind of chalky blue colour to this Black Edition. You may actually see a little step-by-step that we would have just posted recently, so look out for that. These are really nice aluminium door, both open into French doors, and then we've gone for a UPVC black window. This is got a slightly different sheen, so you can upgrade to the aluminium on the windows, but we like this as a standard package and it's kept the cost down quite low. Now on the doors and the windows we've gone for the between glass blinds, integrated blinds. I'll show you it this way here, so you're sliding this up and you've got the control on the other side. These are really great blinds, and what we've actually done here is we've shown it in two different guises. So that's the silver you're seeing there. This one here is the champagne, and it's just to show two different options, and I think it's really nice to do that at the show centre. We've also done black on the blinds on the side, which I'll show you another time or in a moment. And these work really well, really nice integrated blinds, and you've got that choice of colour, which I think is really, really important. So I'll just pop those up really easy. I've got to say, the mechanisms on these are brilliant. So the between glass blinds are really, really nice. So a couple of other nice additions on here that we want to talk to you about. We weren't really sure what we want to do with the trims. I felt we wanted some wood and some naturalness. So this has got the oak trims on it, and we've gone with this guys here where you've got oak verticals, horizontals above the door, and this really nice detail across the top. It's a complete 50-50 split with all of the staff. We've done voting, and some like it like this and others like it in the pure black. So hopefully you'll see now just a pure black version of this. And also for some it's just having the vertical post, so we've also got that option, which you can see as well. We've also demonstrated on this top of this building is a new groove. So this is called our Franklin groove, and what we've done here is we've kind of replicated a more square, a more modern feel of moulding. So instead of it being a V, we've gone for this square, say, called Franklin groove. It also matches with the cathedral click look, so it kind of works in that way as well. And we've also got some really nice details like chamfered instead of pencil rounded trims now, and that really does look nice. On the side here, we've kept with our standard V200 with the black trims. That gives you an idea of the two different options that we offer. A black integrated blind on here, and even a little one in the window. You can't move that up and down, but it's still a nice little touch. UPVC side window, and I think it's just a lovely looking building. A huge upgrade for Rob's office, and ready for you to come and view here at the Baker Show Centre. So with around about 35 sizes for you to choose from, any of our Kite pre-designed buildings can now be upgraded to have our Black Edition version, which is so on trend, and then you can mix and match what you want to be doing with these oak trims and details based on your preference without any additional cost. So I hope that's of interest. Please feel free to come and make an appointment down here at the Baker's Garden Building Show Centre. Give Rob a call or drop us an email in our inquiry form on the website and make an appointment to come and see this building and so many more that we've got. Thank you.